Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Eastin Atchison. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Cable TV and air-conditioned rooms are featured at this property. Located 1.9 miles from Benedictine College, free Wi-Fi access is available. A refrigerator is featured in every room. Fresh linens are provided along with towels in the private bathroom. Laundry facilities and vending machines are available for guests' convenience. Free parking is available. Kansas City Airport is 29 miles away. The International Forest of Friendship is only 9 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.